I've been doing restoration work for as long as I can remember. I started out just picking up odd jobs here and there. I take a lot of pride in my work, always making sure my clients are happy. When I first started using the app, I only used it for estimates and invoices. Occasionally I send a post-inspection, especially for the larger jobs.
We always get compliments on our overall process. Our clients really like the way everything works when they hire us to do a job. I think Contractor Plus just helps us look more professional, and that's important to us.
I love how Contractor Plus pretty much handles everything for our business. They even made our new logo for like 50 bucks. And it's great. I mean, look at it. We have a few employees now, plus my partner in crime, Ashley. She handles all the scheduling and accounting stuff now.
Contractor Plus has made a huge difference in our business. We went from doing everything on paper and not having much organization at all to having a professional business with an organized job schedule. I like being able to talk to the team right inside the app. It's helping improve our communication and our overall productivity. When
our guys use their own vehicles, I have them track the mileage using the app. Ashley gets the reports at the end of the week with the timesheets and mileage and cuts their paychecks. I don't know what I'd do without Contractor Plus.
I think you mean you don't know what you'd do without me.
You know what I mean.
But Brandon's right. Contractor Plus has completely turned our business around. Our invoices are super professional. So everything gets sent right to QuickBooks, so our accounting is mostly automated now. As a small company, this app makes a huge difference.
Big time.